Matt told us that when we leave here, we'll have a book of business, meetings and such. And I'm like, well, I hope so, you know. But that just became a reality for everybody very easily. Coming into this, before I took some time to learn this referral system, I expected it to be very difficult to get the scripts down and have, you know, all these different angles to shoot it from and stuff like that. But when it comes down to it, after going through the training, it's really just about having a relationship with another human being. And then on the business level, respect and being able to have a conversation. It's not just some like sales pitchy kind of thing that a lot of this stuff feels like. I guess in a way it really surprised me how simple or simplified he's made this process. Typically in the middle of the winter, very early spring, I'm thinking, gosh, I hope there's a storm. Man, I hope we get some hail, you know, something to kick off the season. I mean, after everything I learned this week, I plan on implementing this now in the middle of winter and throughout the whole year, because if I do that, then I don't have to worry about where's my next job going to come from. If I harbor the relationship correctly and I play my role in that relationship, you know, give and take, and I give what I can and work hard to make sure that happens, then there's a pretty good chance that I'm going to get a good ROI on that, return on investment. So it's a lot more comfortable to think that way than how many doors do I have to knock? How many times am I going to get rejected? You know, is there going to be a storm? Because you can't, it's like rolling the dice, and that's no way to run a business.